Welcome. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to delete all your WhatsApp messages on PC while keeping your starred conversations safe. This is a really useful update because sometimes you just want to clear out your chats without losing the important ones you already marked. Let's get right into it. To begin, open the WhatsApp app on your computer. Once it loads, look toward the bottom left corner of the screen and click on the gear icon. This icon takes you into the settings menu where you'll find all the options you need to manage your account and preferences. From there, head over to the section called Chats. The Chats menu gives you control over storage, appearance, and message history. This is exactly where we need to go to clean up your conversations. Inside the chat settings, you'll see an option that says Delete All Messages. Go ahead and click on it. Don't worry, this won't immediately erase everything. It will give you a confirmation step, so you'll have the chance to review your choice. Now here's the most important part. When the confirmation window pops up, you'll notice a checkbox that says Keep Starred Messages. Be sure to select this option. By checking this box, every message you've previously starred will stay safe, while all of the other messages across your chats will be cleared out. It's the best way to tidy up your WhatsApp without losing the parts that matter most to you. Once you've checked the box, simply confirm the action. After that, WhatsApp will remove all unstarred conversations from your chats, leaving behind only the important, starred ones you selected along the way. And that's it! In just a few quick steps, your WhatsApp will feel refreshed, uncluttered, and organized, while your starred messages remain right where you need them. This new update really makes it easier to manage your conversations without the stress of losing everything valuable.